Waku is a minimal React framework that supports React Server Components, RSCs. RSCs allow developers to render UI components on the server, improving performance and enabling server-side features. Waku provides a minimal API that allows for multiple feature implementations to make it easier to build new features. While using RSCs is optional, it is highly recommended for improved user and developer experiences. Blue phosphorescent OLED, PHOLED, materials will soon become commercially available. PHOLEDs are potentially 100% efficient and don't generate heat. Red and green PHOLEDs have been around for a while, but creating blue PHOLEDs has been a challenge. Blue PHOLEDs will mean a more balanced pixel structure for displays, which could result in higher resolution displays in the future. A switch to blue PHOLEDs will lead to an approximate 25% gain in efficiency, and the reduced heat generation should increase the lifetime of all surrounding electronics. Samsung will most likely be the first company to deploy PHOLEDs. tinyzero allows anyone to easily train AlphaZero-like agents in any environment. AlphaZero is a program developed by DeepMind for mastering games like chess, shogi, and Go. CAR-T treatment involves removing T cells from a patient, engineering them to target cancer cells, and reintroducing them to the patient's body. It has yielded dramatic recoveries from advanced forms of some blood cancers, but the technology is out of reach for many people due to its cost and difficulty. A new study suggests that the treatment can be administered through an injection of a virus that infects T cells. There are plans to request authorization from the US FDA next year to begin human trials of the technology. Midjourney V6 has been released in alpha. The update drastically improves image quality and gives the model the ability to generate legible text within images. It also comes with an entirely new prompting method that is much more sensitive and much better at understanding users. Users will likely have to relearn how to prompt if they are accustomed to Midjourney V5 prompting. Examples of images generated with the new model are available in the article. This blog post contains a list of things Sam Altman wishes someone had told him. The advice covers topics related to work and running a business. It includes tips such as being careful about setting incentives, spending more time recruiting, iterating quickly, and evaluating people on their net impact on the performance of the organization. 2,725 fewer firms made 2 or more deals in the first 3 quarters of 2023 compared to the same period last year. Hyperloop One is selling off its assets, laying off remaining workers, and preparing to shut down by the end of 2023. Pathway is a framework for high-throughput and low-latency real-time data processing that can create Python code that seamlessly combines batch processing, streaming, and real-time APIs for LLM apps. A look at the different ways to discover content in a world where there is an overabundance of information. Beeper has no plans to continue making iMessage work on Android if Apple decides to knock down its latest workaround. Artificial intelligence dominated popular culture in 2023, but there were many other advances in computer science and important pieces of individual progress. Google is restructuring its ads business because of its new AI tools. The tools remove the need for a lot of work, increasing ad revenue profit margins. A growing number of advertisers are adopting Google's AI tools, eliminating the need for employees who specialize in selling ads for particular Google services. Details about the reorganization are expected to be announced next month. Apple researchers have made a key breakthrough in deploying large language models on Apple devices with limited memory by using an innovative flash memory utilization technique. The method uses windowing and row-column bundling to minimize data transfer and maximize flash memory throughput. It allows AI models to run up to 5 times faster on standard processors and up to 25 times faster on graphics processors. The technology sets the stage for iPhones to run complex AI assistants on device.